New starter solenoid. Here's the old one. Sometimes these develop cracks when you go to unbolt them, unbolt the wires. They crack and they break. So just get yourself a new one. Starter motors rarely go bad on these GMs. You do find some, but it's pretty rare. Nice new bolts, cleaned up connections. Autofocus, please. There we go. New connections. Everything's cleaned up. Light coating of grease. That way we don't get any corrosion going on. And you unbolt this, unbolt that, unbolt this, extract the screw. And then you see that flange? It's inside, so you rotate it, pops right off. Then you install the same way. Before installing your starter, hook it up to a jumper pack or a battery charger. Get yourself a starter button. Test it. Always make sure that your repair is actually a repair and not just frustration. Make sure you clean up your mounting surface. Clean up your cable ends. If there's any question, put nice new cable ends on. Save yourself a lot of grief. But you want this nice and clean so that you have metal to metal contact. That way your starter won't work loose. It's in the proper position, and you've got a good ground, because that's where your ground comes from. And of course you're positive you're just where your battery juice comes from. Clean up your bolts. That head's going to come in contact with the body of the starter, and your threads come in contact with the block. Clean them up, lube them lightly. Make sure there's a light coating of grease on your studs so that when you install it, it's not going to corrode and give you bad connection next week. We don't want that happening. Like and subscribe, or I'll set this fella loose in your garage.